Hello students, so today we'll be doing chapter number 7, factorization. Okay, this is your chapter, factorization. Now in this chapter I'll be making you the concepts clear. Okay, so factorization means what? Actually factorization means break into factors. Factorization means break into factors. Break into factors. Is it clear? Factorization means break into factors. Now suppose you have number 6. Okay, so how you break it? You break it 2 into 3. These are the prime factors. No, 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 6. So you break it in the form 6 equal 6. You can break it 2 into 3, and then 12. You can break 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. So what you can say that this is your what? Prime factors. 2, 2, 3 are the prime factors of 12, and 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 6. Is it clear? Okay. Now suppose what is the use of this? Okay, why do we study factorization? Okay, now suppose you have got a pond. Suppose you have got a pond. This is the pond. Okay, this is your pond. Now pond is of a length, let's say 10 meter. Okay, and let's say breadth is your 5 meter. Is it clear? So how can you write area? Now you know area is equal to length into breadth. Yes or no? Area is 10 into 5. Area is 10 into 5. So you see 10 into 5 is how much? 10 into 5 is how much? 50, no? Okay, so you have break it in the factors 10 into 5. So 10 and 5 are the factors of 50. Okay, so like this. So factors you understand, no? Okay, now monomial, binomial, trinomial, you know it. I'll not go in detail. Monomial means one term. Okay, let's say this is 6x. So 6x is what? That is your monomial. Okay, I'm writing m. Now let's say you have a 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2 is your what? Binomial. It is binomial. And this one is what? 6x is what? Monomial. Is it clear? Now let's say you have got the third one, 6x square plus 2x plus 2. So this is what? This is consisting of 3 terms. So it is what it is called? Trinomial. Trinomial. So I hope it is clear to you. Okay, all right. So next we have a method of factorization. We have got method of factorization. Okay, method of factorization. Okay, method of factorization. Now out here in method of factorization we have first of all method of common factors. What we have? Method of common factors. Okay, method of common factors. Now you see I'll explain it with the help of example. Let's say example is 49 minus of 7x. Okay, so 49 minus 7x. Now here what you can take common from both the terms? 7, no? So 7 you take common. So you take you can take what to say 7. Sorry, once again, let's say 49 minus 7x. Okay, 49 minus 7x. So what you can take is 7 common, then you will have 7 minus here also x. So 7 7 are 49, minus 7 into x is 7x. Is it clear? So this is your method of common factors. Now second method is your method of regrouping terms. What is the method? Regrouping terms. Method of regrouping. Method of regrouping terms. Method of regrouping terms. Is it clear? Now out here let's say you have got one question. Let's say suppose like this, 10xy plus 15y plus 14x plus 21. Okay, now how you do this? This is, let's say, okay, so 10xy plus 15y, from here you will take 2, you will take common, and from here you will take common. Okay, so what is there? You will take 5y common. So what you will have? Inside will be 2x, no? So 5 2 are 10xy plus. Now what else? 3, no? Okay, 2x plus 3. Here what you can take common? Here you can take 7 common, no? So in the bracket you will have how much? 2x plus 3 again. Okay, so now you see bracket part is same, no? 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. So you can write one time you can write this one 2x plus 3, and another you can write 5y 5y plus 7. Is it clear? So what you can say, these are the two factors equal to, these are the two factors. Okay, so have you followed method of regrouping terms? All right, now next one, the final one, the third one is your method of algebraical identities. Algebraical identities. Method of algebraical identities. Is it clear? Method of algebraical identities. Now you see from here you have to know the some of the formulas. Okay, some of the identities you should know, like what you should know a plus b whole thing square. Now if you remember, a plus b whole thing square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Have you followed? Next you have a minus b whole thing square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Is it clear? Now the last one, okay, and then one more, a square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Is it clear? Okay, and one more is there, x plus a into x plus b. So what formula you have? You have x square plus open bracket a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so this is your identities. Okay, so third one is identities. So how many I gave you method of factorization? First one, method of common factors. Second one is method of regrouping terms, and the third one is method of what? Algebraical identities. Now next you have the topic division. Okay, division of algebraic expression. Division. Okay, division of algebraic expression. So how we do the division? First one we have monomial by monomial. Division is monomial divided by monomial. Monomial by monomial. Is it clear? Monomial by monomial. Okay, so how we do this? Let's say we have got one example, 10a power 3 divided by 2a power 2. So what we have? How can we write it? We can write it 10a power 3 by 2a power 2. No, now we'll break it into factors. So we'll write like this, equal to 10 can be written as 2 into 5, and a power 3 means a into a into a. Is it clear? Now 2a square can be written as 2 into a into a. Now 2 will get cancelled, a cancel. So final answer will be 5a. Okay, final answer will be 5a. Have you followed? Monomial by monomial. Similarly, next you will have polynomial by monomial. Next, number B, you will have polynomial. Okay, polynomial by polynomial by monomial. Polynomial by monomial. Have you followed this? Polynomial by monomial. Okay, now from here, let's say you have got question like this. Let's say you have 6a power 3 plus 30a power 2 plus 24a. Okay, and you have to divide it by, let's say, 12a. You have to divide it by 12a. So how can you do it? Okay, see in the next step, you will take common. Down is 12a now. So in the numerator you will take common. So 6a you are having common. So what you will have inside? A power 2 plus 5a plus 4. Now when you multiply, then 6a cube plus 6 5 are 30a square plus 6 4 are 24a. Okay, now a and a will get cancelled, 6 2 are 12. Okay, so final answer will be how much? A square plus 5a plus 4 divided by 2. So have you followed? This is how we divide polynomial by monomial. Okay, next we have polynomial by polynomial. Okay, number C, polynomial by polynomial. Polynomial by polynomial. Polynomial by polynomial. Okay, so how we do this? Same way we will do this also. Like suppose if you have to divide 2x square minus 4, 2x square minus 4 divided by 2x minus 2. So how you do this? You can take 2 in the common in the numerator, so x square minus 2 divided by 2, then x minus 1. 2 will get cancelled. Now x square minus 2 by x minus 1. So this is your answer. X square minus 2 by x minus 1. This is a binomial, so put it in bracket. Okay, so these are the concepts of your this chapter number 7, factorization. Okay, so please see this video. I have made this for you. So you tell me how did you find it. Okay, if you find it interesting, please do comment and share it to your other friends also. Okay. Okay, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so that you can get more videos of this type. Okay, students. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye, students.